Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're at McConnells Mill State Park in western PA. We're going to be looking at some huge rock formations, a covered bridge, a waterfall, lots of trails. There's a historic mill that we're going to take a tour of. There's autumn leaves and there's a big old river down in here, so let's get right into it. So the main part of this road here takes us down kind of into the ravine area, past these huge rocks that we'll see, and it'll take us down to the covered bridge. But first, let's check out these rocks. These rocks are huge right here. It's way down in there. Not sure if there is a trail right here or not, but I wanted to come down here and show you these huge rock faces. I don't know if you can see the river way down in there, but kind of on the side of a cliff here. There's trees growing out of the rocks way up there. Don't know if there's a good way to do a size comparison here. I'm gonna try and set the phone down somewhere so you can see. I don't know if this shows how big these rocks are, but crazy. Check out the way these rocks are kind of eroded from the water coming down off these rocks over time. I think there's a switchback trail that takes us down to the river, but this is the steepest hillside I think I've ever seen on any of these adventures. You can see the river way down in there. Look at the way the trees are growing out of the side of these rock faces, just hanging over the road. Here's a sneak peek of the covered bridge that's coming up. After a lot of walking down that long road, we made it to the historic mill, and they just happened to be open today. It was, I forget what day it was, but just by luck it was open. So we managed to be able to go inside and just kind of self-tour and take a look around. So hope you enjoy this part. Here's a sneak peek of the river that we'll be checking out later once we get outside. This was interesting to me because they have like these water turbines, and it turns out that the river is actually flowing just in the open there underneath. You can see the water coming through there. And I guess if enough water comes through, it spins these water turbines, which powers some different things in the mill. After a tour of the inside of the mill, it's time to come out and check out this little waterfall area and a river. There are two waterfall areas we'll see today. I know you've been seeing this covered bridge in the background for a while, so we're going to actually now go through the covered bridge and take a walk through it and see what's on the other side. You'll see this life preserver here. I'll talk more about those in just a minute. Here's a trail on the other side of the river, and you'll see there's another life preserver on this side. So they're kind of all over the trails here, actually, and there's a good reason for that. And you'll see that in just a minute. After those nice views of the waterfall area, the historic mill, and the covered bridge, it's time to get onto a trail. This is called the Alpha Pass Trail. And we should be able to see some amazing views of this river from this trail. And at the end of this trail, there should be another waterfall that we'll be able to see, this one being much taller than the first. And I said we talk more about the life preservers, and those are actually here for in the winter time when this river gets really high. This is actually pretty low right now, even though it looks kind of high. This river gets very high in the winter time, and those life right there, those life preservers are here in case you need to throw one out to somebody that maybe can't get up the side of the bank. Maybe it's just getting swept away by the water. Could be any of that. In the winter, the water comes way up and these banks get super muddy. So that's why there's all those caution signs that say stay on the trail. All kinds of big rocks on this trail. Oh, almost fall in there. Watch your step. This is truly gigantic. Trail's up there, so we gotta get back up and around here to the trail. Don't know if you can see the size of these rocks, but they're fairly big. So, work my way around this stuff. And let's make our way back up to the trail here. Watch that thing. Hit your head on that, you're in trouble. Okay. Almost there. Beautiful spot down there though. Okay. Oh. There, we made it. Down there's where we were. Back on the trail. Looks like might be a, I don't want to say cave up here, but maybe, nah, doesn't go anywhere. I thought that might be a cave, but you can see to the back of it. Huh. All right, back down onto the trail. Goes up the mountain there. Look at this rock. It's just part of the trail. Okay. See this? How it's smooth here. That's erosion. The water's running and puddling there. Don't know if it's from the trees or that's just where it lands, but a little bit of erosion there. I cannot tell you the amount of time I've already tripped over tree roots along this trail. I don't know if I can actually get down in here. There's a 3-4 foot drop off there. I guess I can go this way, maybe. I just want to get down to the river. It's not flooding or anything, so I would imagine when the river's high, it comes way up here. But actually you can see right here, it comes through when it gets high, but it's not today. My legs are a little shaky. I've been walking the last couple days, so yeah. So this is all sand here. When the river's high, it comes flying through here. Kind of on this rock area here. You can see the rocks are all smooth. Water definitely floods here and even floods up there when the water's high. I guess the water's actually pretty low today, even though it looks high. All the silt in here. Water comes right up through here when it floods. All right, let's get out of here. Gotta get up and back onto the trail there, which doesn't look that high, but that's probably because of the camera. You can see I'm struggling to get up on these rocks here with one hand. Okay, that's why there's all those signs that say don't go down this area, because don't go down in this area because when it floods, that's all mud and slick and there's probably no getting back up anytime soon. All right, back up to the trail. This rock looks like it's mandatory to stand on for a view. Did say no rock climbing, but I call that more of rock walking. So not gonna get too close to that ledge because it looks like dirt. I don't know how much of it's rock and how much of it's dirt. So yeah, don't want to fall. All right, back down these roots onto the trail. Oh, there's a bunch of branches from when it floods. Just shoves the branches right into that rock. step on all this. This is like one big balancing act. Big down trees there. Let's keep it moving. I guess this maybe floods in the winter here. You can see that rock there, it's pretty deep here. I didn't see any geocaches on the map in this park, but man, that would be the perfect place for one if they allowed them. All right, back up through this stuff. I'm getting onto the trail again. All right. Hear the stream? See the water trickling right there out of the side of the mountain. All right. Alpha Pass goes this way. We're gonna keep following it. There's a parking lot up here, so we could take the road back if we wanted. I want to go down to these rocks yet too and see this down here. I think I can get down this just fine and back up. That just goes out the other side. Okay. Picked the wrong jacket. This one's way too heavy for this. This trail is holding nothing back. I don't know if it's obvious, but these rocks are very big. Me in the woods up here. I don't think people come up this way much. Ooh. Ooh. Here's a big rock and a tree fell over this one, but ooh, major mud. Let's keep it moving. Water coming down here. Big old cave. Big old cave right here. Look at this. Oops. Easy does it. Out of the cave, back onto the trail. This looks like it goes up, 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 so guess we'll see. And these rocks are just big. You can see we're getting up higher now. The river's down in there a ways. Ooh, here comes a bridge. Up and over the bridge. This must be pouring water when it rains. Maybe in the winter when it's flooding, because you can see the little stream there on the tree branch. That must really pour water down when it rains, and that's why this bridge is here. It goes way down in there. Just came from down in there. Now we're heading, I guess, up these stairs. Yeah, we want to go to the falls, I believe. There's something up here called Alpha Falls, but I don't know if it's gonna be there today because the river's low, but I guess we'll see once we get up here. If we keep going straight, my understanding is that there's a parking lot up there. If we go left, this will take us to Alpha Falls. So let me see how far that is. I gotta walk the rest of this. I need this snack that I brought. River's way down in there now. We're up here. I think I hear a car up above a ways. Our goal is to get to the falls, so let me my backpack on, right? Didn't come all that way just to stop unless I have to. Look at that cliff face. Pardon the crackers in my beard. Huge cliff face here. Lost the trail already, guys. Huh. Alright, well, let's go check out this little waterfall. Then we'll find a trail. Maybe this is it. And falls when it rains. Whoa. Goes under there a ways. I bet when it rains, this is huge. Oh yeah, you can see where it comes flying down there when it rains. This has got to be the falls, though. Whew. That feels good. It's getting pretty warm. get a little bit more water on us. Woo! All right, get out of there. All right, I definitely think I'm off the trail here, so I gotta go back and find it and continue following it then, because this park's too big to get lost in. Oh. Gotta get up just to get to this point. And then this part here even is about shoulder height on me. And here it just goes way up past my head. Well, you can see that by I'm standing under it right now. Back through this ravine area. I'm just gonna trust my gut on this one that it picks up, hopefully on the other side of this. Oops, wrong way. Gotta go down here and around, I think, in order to make it up the other side. So maybe this part of the trail was shut down a while ago or something and it's just not visible. But hopefully, once we make it through this river area, it's not really flowing. It'll pick up on the other side of the mountain here, the hill. If not, we'll just go back to the bridge because I don't want to get lost. All right, so we're hoping that if we cross here and go up, that this is the trail. We're hoping. That's the waterfall. Here's the little stream that's happening. This could be slick. Don't want to fall down this. Okay. Up over that tree. Thinking maybe I just kick myself up these rocks here, that the trail will pick up on the far side. I hope. Oh, I found a chipmunk. There's nothing really here. Check a little further, but there's no blazes or nothing. All right, I know where the waterfall is, so that's safe. We'll just walk a little bit this way and see if we find a blue blaze. Would be the goal. But no. I think we're just in the mountain now. There's no blue blaze anywhere. And there were consistently blue blazes like every 20, 30 feet before. So yeah, don't want to get lost my first time at this park. So unless this is the trail, but this again just looks like a ravine. No, there's no trail here. We're going back. Not getting lost. Oh. All right. Up here's the waterfall. Ugh. Now we gotta go back down through this again. Okay. Easy does it. Ugh. I think I'm gonna cross up here this time. It looks more stable. That is a nice waterfall. I bet it looks great when it's really flying down. This section's a little more watery, but I think I can just step across like that. Get up these rocks here. These are slick. Okay. Whew. Getting rained on. Oh, waterfall feels kind of good. So it didn't really continue that way. There's no blue blazes past that bridge. So back to the bridge, and maybe we missed a turn. Oh, there's a rock right there. I was gonna say, it almost looks like a cave, but it's not. Alrighty, back to this bridge, the third time. Looking for blue marks. I know we came this way. So I think when it rains, maybe that is the waterfall, and the trail doesn't really continue. So it looks like we need to go. There's a bridge we came in, and way down in there's a river. We need to go up the side of this thing here to get to potentially a parking lot, hopefully more trail. Stairs, 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 stairs. Oh. All right, we made it. Almost there. All right, down in there's where we came from. More stairs. 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 Stairs, stairs, stairs. Okay. Made it to the top of those stairs. Oh, you know what? This might be the end. So we're here at the Alpha Pass Trail, and this took us up top. Yeah, so we're here. And I thought for some reason it kept going, but if I were to keep going, looks like I just go into mountains. Or there's this orange trail here. What's this? It says Alpha Pass, but I don't see orange blazes anywhere. Like, we were looking back there, there's no orange blazes. So we found this little waterfall. Supposedly there's a trail here. What I might do, or might have to do, is come back at some point, start at the top end of this Alpha Pass Trail, and work our way down to this "You Are Here" point, because I can't seem to find the trail from here. Actually, there's a sign up there. Maybe I'll check up there, but I think we're gonna have to drive up to the far point and hike down. Maybe it's easier to find in that direction. There's also a trail out here that's huge that we haven't done yet. We did the smaller of the two there. So yeah, see, there's the blue blaze that would take us down in where we just were. It looks like we're looking for maybe an orange blaze or something. Yeah. Oh, you know what? I think it does come up here. There's a switchback. Let's see. We were just at the old mill. Believe it or not, I guess that was only 0.4 miles. Felt like a long way. Whew. Okay. So, half mile over that terrain is further than I'd like it to be, I think. This is the Alpha Pass trailhead. Yeah, and I went down there, but for some reason I thought it goes this way, so let's see. See the road out here now. Yeah, see, you don't want to trip here, that'd be the end of you. I don't know how to describe how far down that is. Hang on. Let's find something light. Maybe not a rock. Okay. See, I don't even want to dread getting that close, so let me just show you here. No one down there, and it's a small stick, so I just hit him a little bit. Oh, we're talking 50 feet maybe? I don't know. I can't judge that much height. It's big. You can picnic right by the edge, I guess, if you want. Oh yeah, I feel safer here behind the picnic area. Way down in there is where we just were. Yeah, see? There's the waterfall down in there. It's kind of running off the edge of the cliff here. And deep down in there and hitting the rocks below. Oh, this is the river that's feeding that little waterfall coming through here. Right there's the cliff side. It goes off right there. Interesting. Is there any semblance of a trail here? No, I think if there was a trail, it was down in there. We're gonna take the road back to, let me get on the right side of the road here. We're gonna take the road back to the parking lot area, and that was the Alpha Pass Trail, or what we could do of it. We'll come back another time and start at the far end and try and work the Alpha Pass Trail down to that waterfall area, and hopefully there's blazes coming the other direction that we just couldn't see. So that's the plan for that. There's also a huge trail going the other way. There's all kinds of stuff to explore here at this park. That's just the beginning. So there'll be a couple videos on this. This is the first one. They won't necessarily be week after week McConnells Mill State Park, because I'm not able to get up here that often. Again, it's just hard to show how high these rock faces are, but yeah, the camera's level, right? I mean, 30 feet up or so. Little cave area down in here. I would be remiss if I did not explore it. So let's get down in here, take a look-see. It doesn't go anywhere, but I want to show you the size of this. All right, I don't really know how to show you this besides to get down in here, so. Oh, my foot doesn't touch the ground there. Okay, we're down in. This is the little cave area. And it just goes right on through. That's interesting. Guess we could. Just goes through to the other side. Let me show you. Just goes right out there. But I'm standing up straight here. Still got a couple of feet above me. Pretty nice little area. And back over there is those rocks I climbed over to get in. So I gotta climb over them to get back out now. All right. All right. Now to get out of the situation that I put myself in. Does my leg stretch like that? Kind of. I may actually need both hands. It's unclear. Wait, nope, just need the one. Okay. Made it back out. One-handed. Woo. All right. Whoa, that one's pretty neat. Goes way up there. Another big rock formation. Let me try and get some distance on it. That one's wild. Looks like it's laying on its side. It's actually a tree growing out of the front of this one that has a bird's nest in it. After that, I kept walking down the road and made my way back to the car. That's it for McConnells Mill State Park Part 1. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to see new parts as they come out. See you in the next video.